Alright, so I'm going to try and show you my editing process. We're going to go ahead and import your video. She's so stinking cute. So for this next step, we're going to cheat and we're going to extract this actual sound, the original sound from the video, and put it on your video.
Calling all VTubers, show it.
Alright, so the reason we extract the video sound is at the bottom you see the bars of where
show us your model.
she goes to talk. You're gonna stop your video where those bars stop. And then you'll just continue the process and add your other videos to it.
Calling all VTubers, show us your model, show us your favorite part, show us the part that no one sees, and show us your smile.
Okay, so now we have the video exactly how we want it. We're gonna go in and actually edit the video so it can be the same size for TikTok.
Calling all VTubers, show us your model, show us your favorite part, show us the part that no one sees, and show us your smile.
I hope this helps. If you need any more help, I'm going to try and make another one if you need me to. And until CapCut start paying us, we don't let them be in our TikTok videos.